Here's the truth. I made $4,200 last month. From AI music, not from one viral hit. From a system, a pipeline. And I will show you the exact steps. Every single one. No fluff, no secrets held back. Most people think AI music is a toy, a gimmick. They make a song on Suno, post it once, get 10 streams, then give up. Here's what they are missing. There is a real business here, a real money pipeline. You just need to build it the right way, week after week, month after month. Let me show you how. First, creation, but not just any creation. Quality over quantity, every single time. Open Suno AI, use custom mode, write your own lyrics, or use AI lyrics as a starting point. But always edit, always customize, always add your own touch. The algorithms know cheap content. Listeners know cheap content. Your songs need to actually sound good. I spend at least 30 minutes on each track, testing different prompts, trying different genres, mixing styles. The extra effort shows, and the streams prove it. Second, the listening test. This step separates the winners from the amateurs. I make 10 songs, and I only release my top 3. Not the ones I like most, the ones that sound radio ready. I play them for friends. I ask strangers. I post clips online. If you would not add it to your own playlist, do not release it. Be ruthless. Your catalog is your brand. One bad song can turn a new listener away forever. Quality control is everything. Third, mastering your tracks. Raw Suno songs sound decent, but they do not sound professional. They lack punch. They lack clarity. I run every single track through an AI mastering tool, Lander or E-Mastered. It costs a few dollars per track, maybe $5 to $10, worth every single cent. A properly mastered track stands out on Spotify. It sounds louder, it sounds cleaner, it sounds like it came from a real studio. Do not skip this step, ever. Fourth, distribution. This is where the money pipeline actually starts. You need a distributor to get your music onto platforms. I use DistroKid. It costs $23 a year, that is it. Unlimited song uploads. You keep 100% of your royalties. DistroKid sends your music to Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Music, every platform that matters, all at once. The link is in the description, with a 7% discount for your first year. Fifth, the royalty machine. Let me break down the actual numbers. Spotify pays about $0.003 to $0.005 per stream, so 1,000 streams equals $3 to $5. That sounds small, but here's the math that changes everything. If you release one song per week, that is 52 songs per year, each song averaging 200 streams per day. That is over 10,000 streams every single day. Do the math on that. 365,000 streams per month. At the low end, that is over $1,000 per month. Passive. Sixth, the growth flywheel. Here is what month over month actually looks like. Month 1, you release 4 songs, maybe 5,000 total streams. You earn about $20. It feels small. Keep going. Month 2, 8 songs are now live. The algorithm starts paying attention. 10,000 streams, about $40. Month 3, 12 songs. You get playlist ads. You get algorithmic recommendations. 20,000 streams, about $80. Month 4, 16 songs live. Your older tracks keep streaming. New tracks bring in fresh listeners. 30,000 streams, $120. Month 5, 20 songs, 50,000 streams, $200. Month 6, 24 songs, 100,000 streams, $400. This compounds every single month. The catalog keeps working, even when you sleep. Seventh, diversify your income streams. Never rely on Spotify alone. Here is what else works. Upload your tracks to YouTube Content ID. Every time someone uses your music in a video, you get paid. Apply for sync licensing opportunities. Your AI tracks could end up in commercials, podcasts, corporate videos, films. One sync deal can pay $1,000 or more, way more than streaming. Also consider selling your beats or your instrumentals on platforms like BeatStars. Multiple income streams. That is the real secret. Here is the biggest insight I can give you. The money is not in one viral song. It is not in chasing trends. It is in the catalog. 100 songs doing okay, beats 1 song doing great, every single time. Build the catalog, feed the machine, release consistently, week after week, month after month. That is how you turn AI music into real passive income. Real money, real royalties. And the best part of all of this, you can do it completely faceless. No studio needed, no camera, no microphone, no expensive gear, just you, a laptop, an internet connection, and a DistroKid account. That is the entire setup, ready to start your pipeline. Grab your DistroKid discount below, 7% off your first year. Upload your first song this week, then another next week. Keep going, keep building. The pipeline works. I am living proof of it. Every single day. My catalog streams while I make these videos. That is the dream. That is the goal. Do not forget to subscribe. I drop new AI music strategy videos every single week. Tutorials, money tips, growth hacks. All right here. Now go make some money. Go build your catalog. I will see you in the next video.